Hi, let's go through the important features of Teach and Learn that will help you to use this platform. First of all, you will need to create an account. During the account creation process, you will be asked to provide details like the subjects you are strong in, the subjects you mostly require help in, and your preferred language of communication, in addition to your basic details. This will help others on the platform know you better and establish a meaningful connection with you. When you have created your account, you will be taken to the home page of the application. On the home page, on the very top of your screen, you will see a toggle button. Using this toggle button, you will be able to switch between whether you want to teach or learn at that time. Based on the option you choose, you will be able to perform different activities. When you choose the Teach option, you would be able to perform the following. 1. Create an independent class for the topic you would want to teach. 2. Create a class in response to a request made by other users. When you choose the Learn option, you would be able to 1. Create an independent request for the topic you would want to learn. 2. Show interest in a request for a topic you would want to learn created by other users. 3. Enroll into a class that is already scheduled and is going to take place. Inside the application, you will see many cards floating around. These cards contain the details of the classes and requests that have been created by you and other users. There are two types of cards you will see. Teach cards. These cards contain the details of classes that are soon going to be held. You can see the summarized details of any class on the Teach card, like the topic that is going to be covered in that class when the class is going to be held, who is teaching that class, etc. When you click on the card, you will be taken to a page which contains the full details of that class, like which course this class is targeted to, what exactly is going to be discussed, who is this class targeted towards, etc. From there, you can enroll into the class and attend the session if you are using the app in the Learn mode. When you are using the app in the Teach mode, you can create your own Teach card and organize an online class by clicking on the Create a Teach card button on the home page, or you can click on any Learn card and create a Teach card in its response to teach the topic requested in that Learn card. Learn cards. Learn cards contain the details of the requests created by the users on the application. You create a Learn card when you want to learn a topic from somebody else on the platform. To create a Learn card, first you need to switch the application's mode to Learn. Then on the home page, you can click the Create a Learn card button and fill up the details of your requirements. Now suppose you spot a Learn card floating in the application created by another user that covers a topic you too want to learn. You can click on that card, check the details, and you can show your interest in that topic. The more the number of people show interest in a Learn card, the more users it will attract who would want to teach that topic because of the high reward incentive. You can also check the Teach cards already created in response to that Learn card and enroll into any of the classes. Classes. Classes will be held online through video or audio conferencing. For this, you will require a good quality internet connection and a laptop or a mobile. As soon as you create a Teach card to teach a session or enroll into any of the classes to learn that topic, you will be able to visit a page where you will be able to see the participants in that class. The person who is going to teach will be able to post messages like pre-reads or any changes in the schedule of the class, etc. The person who is going to teach will also be able to post a link to the class on that page, and the participants can join the class by visiting the link on the scheduled time. The link can belong to any of the popular platforms like Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, etc. For that, you will need a separate account in either Google, Zoom, or Microsoft, which most of you already have. But for the sake of privacy and security, we recommend you to create a new account or use a secondary account on these platforms separate from your main account. When the class is over, you will be asked to fill up a mandatory feedback form. Based on your feedback, the teacher will receive a rating which will reflect on his profile. The better a user teaches others, the better their rating gets, and the more number of users want to learn from him. If someone teaches poorly, it starts showing in their rating. Less number of people want to attend his classes. They earn less coins and are able to attend less classes in return. So when you commit to teach others, make sure you come prepared so that others benefit from attending your class and not waste their time. At the time of choosing the class you want to enroll into, do check the rating of that user, their strong subjects, and other factors by going to their profile page that would make them a preferred candidate to teach that topic. Since you would be paying for these classes with coins, make sure you use them prudently. Use the search bar to look for teach cards and learn cards already created for a topic. Each card has a unique ID, which can be shared with others to refer them to that card. The forum can be used to post queries where other users can contribute their answers. Each upvote on any answer on the forum will be rewarded with a coin. You can go to your profile to check the amount of coins present in your wallet at any time. You can also go to another user's profile and start a private conversation with them. Keep updating your profile whenever you learn new skills. Move to a different course, standard, or job to keep your profile relevant. For example, if you learn any new subject or topic and understand it really well enough to teach it properly to others, or you just want to strengthen it further by teaching it to others, you should update your strong subjects in your profile. Similarly, if you have started learning a new topic and want help in it, you should update that in your profile accordingly. During the class, the person teaching can teach by either sharing their screen and using it like a board, or they can use the camera present in their mobile to point to an actual notebook, whiteboard, or blackboard to share what they are writing with the participants. The mobile screen can also be used like a whiteboard by sharing the screen and using several whiteboard or drawing apps present on the Play Store and App Store. We are continuously improving the app and the website, and if you want any features you think might be helpful to you, or you think any existing feature should be modified or improved for a better experience, then please do let us know in the feedback form at the bottom of the home page. Make sure as many of your friends sign up to Teach and Learn, because the more the number of users present in the app, the more number of options and variety each student will get to learn from. And don't confine your use of this app to learning only academic and job-related stuff. You can use it to learn skills like a new language, music, painting, business, and so much more. It all depends on your imagination.